Sanibona bafethu. Namuhla we are dealing with a numerical integration method. Lapho sobe sibheka i-trapezoidal rule, which is i-method yethu yokuqala mhlawumbe soyibheka. Trapezoidal rule. Okay. I-trapezoidal rule ithini yona? Ithi ingasi-allow siyisebenzise yona so that sizokwazi calculate an estimated area under the curve. Let me draw a curve. This is our curve. And then call it in f(x). Yeah, f(x) wethu lo. So ithini yona i-trapezoidal rule? Ithi ingasi-allow ukuthi siyisebenzise yona to find any area under the curve, because i-shape ye-curve suke singayazi. So ngiyona rule lena lesikwazi ukuyisebenzisa to find i-area under the curve, noma under the curve, because i-curve suke singayazi ukuthi maybe inayiphi i-shape, because asazi noma i-rectangle noma i-triangle noma yini noma i-circle noma yini. So you cannot use ama-formula ama-areas njengokuthi nje ube kuthiwa i-rectangle maybe ngasiyasho ukuthi i-length times breadth, if i-triangle maybe sithi half breadth times height, maybe i-circle maybe pi r squared nani. So we're using i-trapezoidal rule to find this area yabo, but an estimated area, not i-area nje, just ukuthi i-area liqondile, but say estimate. So to estimate it kumele sibhale kanje. This sign means the estimate noma approximation. So then introduce in integral, because we are estimating. Then we use integral to find this area under the curve from point A to point B. Okay, let me construct this one. Okay. So it's again. It's trapezoidal rule. So I'm going to say to find an estimated area under this curve from point A to point B. Under the curve of what? Of f(x) at dx. So isho njalo le rule le bafethu. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nje understand kahle, because ilula yabona. Ithi nje just ukuthi find area under the curve. Under the curve of what? Of f(x) as a function yethu. Then it is represented by I. Your area yethu leyo in I. So yeah, from point A to point B. So from point A to point B, anti must calculate the area. Let's take any breadth, let's take any height. So this is our breadth this is our width here from point A to point B. You width here from point A1 to point B. So you width here to it's B minus A. You can say you width no matter in step size. We can say you width no matter in step size. It's formula is step size from point A to B equal to B minus A over N. N is the number of what? Of interval. So here interval is E1 from A to 1 to B. So I'm sorry, N is the number of what? Of sub-intervals. Then is one sub-interval. Just want to swap one from A to 1 to B. I will come interval amaning. So the formula is one it's B minus A over 1 over N that we use to find in the width, the step size from point A to 1 to point B. So i-trapezoidal rule isho kanjalo yabo. So okay, I think now we're getting close. So y no x way to okay, distance from point A to 1 to point B, one h way to go. One h way to go, which is a width. So low ulingana bani I over 1 over lokulingana na h over 2 f of 1 f of A plus f of B. Formula yethu le you-calculate the estimated area under this curve, because the curve lena is single panel. Why is it a single panel? Because in a one sub-interval, they are not made one sub-interval from point A to point B, which means interval in one. So we can say la ukuthi H B minus A, our H is 1 is B minus A because we over 1. So this is our single panel. So trapezoidal rule is in two cases. This case is under a single panel lakhona nje sub-interval le-1. That's lakhona nje suka A siyakubanisa B, i-width yethu, yona distance yethu, step size sethu, H wethu loyo. So from point A to point B, then ithi laphezulu kumele kungubani, like B minus A over 2 f of 1 f of A plus f of B. Okay, if we given our values which is from A to B, then when find leyo area leyo, then i-curve yokunikile kuyoba ngasasi f of x, maybe x squared, maybe sin x, maybe bani yabo. So ihamba kanjalo for i-single panel, ihamba kanjalo. Nayo i-formula lesiyisebenzisayo kule formula le to find the area under the curve. So let's say manje n wakho awusasi bani, awusasi 1, then we increase by an n noma ama-sub-interval noma siyikhatha i-area yethu, maybe kusuka la from A to B siyakhatha, maybe sikhathe ka-3, so that we improve in accuracy yethu. If ngicalculate i-area yala neyala, it will more like iba more accurate than ukuthi nje calculate ukuthi usuka from la to la, just one panel noma single panel. Le iyoyela kwi-exact area kakhulu than leya. So we then increase the number of sub-interval, which is maybe lana ngibani in n is equal to 4, because sub-interval, then we divide by bani ke width yethu, we divide by 4. So for many panels, because there are many panels here, we can say now our new step size will be B minus A, which is the distance from A to B, divided by 4. Now, siyihamba kanjalo ke manje, because there are many panels or many intervals from A to B. Let's say nje distance kusuka la sithi la ingibani, ing-10. So uma ngabe ufuna ukubona ukuthi how many step size, equal step size, because uma divide la kumele kube ukuthi kusuka la uta la kuyalingana ukusuka la uyela ukusuka la uyela. So then we'll divide by 4 lo 10 lo, then sibone ukuthi kusuka la A maybe to la ku-x1, sambitha x1 lo, x2 wethu, x3 wethu, and to x4, because ngibani, xn, then x0 wethu lo. Kusuka la ukuta la kumele kulingane, kusuka la ukuta la kumele kulingane. So that step size sethu sitoba into lefanayo till sesiyofika kubani, kwi-last number lapha. So we'll divide by 4, so lesiyothola the-equal sub-intervals. Okay, ngisummarize kahle le nto le, ithi for single panel, lakhona suka from point A to point B, ngalo ukuthi sidivide kaningi, but nje i-sub-interval le-1. I-formula yakhona i-basic, ithi I ifake i-estimation sign, H over 2, which is the width from that point A to the last point. Then you say f of 1, f of A, liyofana nane corresponding y value from ma-functions esikoleni, ma-high school, corresponding y value plus f of b then uyavala. Single panel yethu nayo iformula yayo i-basic. So cala sibambeni sonke ukuze le nto iyoba lula. Le nto wathi ukunikhombisa ukuthi-ke so u-understand ama-question ukuthi adinga yiphi iformula and afuna yiphi method sotofika lapho. But now you can hold ukuthi kubamba i-single panel iformula yakhona when you are given i-trapezoidal rule ukuthi i-method ukuthi usebenzise yona, then usebenzisa leya formula leya. Okay, and then multiple panel. Multiple panel. Now we can use the formula there. H over 2 f of x naught plus 2 the sum of n minus 1 n minus 1 I though is equal to 1 f of x I plus f of xn, which is the last term. Xn is the last term yethu because we given ukuthi n wethu lengana nabani, maybe lengana na 4, shothi 4 sub interval, then le last term yethu, and this one is the first term. Bese ke lawa lapha nendawo then wathanda nga2 isum yawo wathanda nga2. For instance la njengoba u-x naught awuthinti, x4 awuthinti, then uthamza nga2 isum x1 na-x2 x3 wathanda nga2. So isho njalo leya formula le because maningi ama-sub interval lapha nendawo from bani laphansi kwa-x naught last term noma x4. So lawo lapha nendawo wathanda nga2 2 yawo isum yawo. Okay, then ngena formula esiyisebenzisayo. So x naught wethu la ulingana a njengoba bese ngishilo ukuthi i-value yethu initial leyo, then x1 wethu ulingana na a plus h because so initial value yethu plus i-step size sokusuka la a to x1 kusuka la siye lana ngithi bese kulingana nabani na b minus a divide by 4, kusho ukuthi leyo ngxenye nje le-1 kusuka la kude la lokusuka la kude la futhi kumele ilingane kusuka la kuye la nokusuka la kuye la. So kusuka la uthi u-add bani h, which is the step size. Ngisambisana. So yeah, so okay, ithini lo from la to la sithola x1 wethu, then we add bani from initial value add bani h because h imove ngawo kahle bekuthiwa bese kwi-calculus lithi dabuma i-remain summation yona kade ithatha the step size isibitha ngabani nga-delta x, but here we are in further discreteness, so we are using h, the width as in sinemilisha nga-h njengoba nje nibona ne-area siyibitha nga-I, so engadidi ama-variables noma ma-letters asashino le-1 nje. So ihamba kanjalo. Then x2 wethu ulingana na a plus 2h, so double-isha abani h noma i-step size sethu yasidablisha kawu-2 manje to find x2, futhi h yokuqala plus h yesibili shothi 2 times the step size to find x2. Angade masihambisana kodwa ikanjalo yona. Then x3 wethu uthi a plus 1 plus 3h, then nje ubulokhu uyi-edile i-step size. After lapho x4 wethu ungubani? Ungu-b. Why x4 wethu ungu-b? Because sesisekugcineni kusuka la ude la i-distance lengu-b. If la kungu-0, b ungu-5, shothi kusuka la ude la kungu-5 meters. If zihamba ngama-meters, if kungu-centimeters shothi 5 centimeters. Ne isho kanjalo. So that's why-ke lo ithi 2 times x1 plus x2 plus x3 lawo lawa phakathi nendawo ne ihamba kanjalo. So lawa lemagcineni siyabayeka kanjalo, sibashiya kanjalo. So leya formula le isukela from lapho-ke. But bengathanda ukuthi maybe sent example khombisa ukuthi yonke into ihambisana, because singahamba kanje ukuthi asihambisani kahle. Oh, phinde ngichaze nalo I lo. Lo I lo 1 3 pila, upila. Okay. I la ulingana nabani wona? I wethu ulingana na A plus IH. Yebo. Yebo. Ulingana nabani na A plus IH. So that angithi uyathi ukuthi uma ngathiwa lo I lo ulingana nabani ungu-0, futhi I ulingana nabani na A. Cishe kube into efanayo nale labo x1, x2, x3. Just lapha I wethu kuqala ku-1 uye phambili. A ivele osukunikwe I kufaka 1 then H futhi usukunikwe. Ngisho ukuthi laphaya f of I, f of xi, lokho kuyafana nokuthi ngibani f of bani of x1. Lokhu into efanayo nale. So but sobona kuma-example lokho ngicela sihambisane. Any question? Okay. Or zakumele ngibe nge-f of bani? Oh, okay, yeah. Kumele ngabe kanjalo ukuthi-ke bengisagaya example ngalo ukuthi so x1 ya x3, so bengise ukuthi umuntu understand, but then kona ihamba kanjalo. When it's come to mase sifuna bo f of x, futhi kuba ngibani f of x1 ulingana nabani bese i-function yethu maybe x squared, futhi ulingana nabani na a plus h squared, yabo kanjalo. Then isum yaloku-ke we-times nga-2, njengoba iformula ishilo la ukuthi the sum of n minus 1 times by 2. Lo n minus 1 uqhamuka kuthenini the sum of anzi njengalana nje n wethu u4. So uma kusithi n minus 1 futhi ngi-4 minus bani minus 1, which means ngi-3, which is the sum from, njengoba bashilo ukuthi from I angu-1, futhi is the sum from x1 kusuka la to the sum of 1 to x3, because n minus bani minus 1. Therefore futhi sigcina ku-x3, sicala x1 sigcina x3, because number of terms though. Okay, cathi kuhambisana lapho. Let's find maybe example single panel. Let's say let's estimate the area from 0 to 0.10 under the curve of x squared dx. Yeah, fine. My question is, the necessity for n is equal to 1. Njengoba ngasho ukuthi for n is equal to 1, or for n is equal to 3. So into ukuthi no problem. La khona n is equal to 1, n is equal to 3. So it's if n is equal to 1, after that shothi siyakwazi ukubona ukuthi i-sub-interval eyi-1 shothi it's a single panel, where like it's calculate area from A to B nje kuphela, asidivide ngetinamba etiningi because it-change step size sethu. So ithini kini la? For n is equal to 1, we apply formula a single panel. Lethi I h over 2 f of A plus f of B. Okay, so our A in this case is 0, and our B in this case is 10. So our f of A is 0 squared, then our f of B is 10 squared, kulingana na 100 is then our step side noma our width ngibani b minus a kulingana na 10 minus 0 futhi step size sethu ngu-10. Yebo, because angithi ithini, ithi kusuka kuphi ku-A kuye ku-B, ku-A seku-B, u-A ngibani ngu-0, B wethu ngibani ngu-10. Step size sethu vele sitoba ngibani, sitoba ngu-10 because sikaze sadivayida ngalutho, suka nje la siya la, yabo, from bani, from la to la. So f of a wethu ufana f of 0 kutoba ngu-0 cause sila. Whenever x ungu-0 na y wethu ungu-0, whenever x wethu ungubani ungu-10 then y wethu ungu-100. So siya-estimate-ke manje, siya-estimate-ke manje using the formula. Then we can say estimation yethu ithini, ithi 10 over 2 f of a wethu ungu-0 plus f of b wethu ungu-100. Lo kuyalingana bani? Kulingana bani? 10 times 100 shuthi 1000 over 2 futhi ngibani i-estimation area yethu ngibani 500. Yeah, it's 500. So ihamba kanjalo for a single panel. We use the formula. I think i-trick kakhulu lana ukuthi uwade ama-formula. Kwanza uyibamba ukuthi uwade i-formula ukuthi for i-single panel yami na i-formula lento oyisebenzisa, for multiple panel na i-formula lento oyisebenzisa. And then wathi ukuthi, because most of the time ama-question afika akutshele ukuthi lana sifuna ukuthi usebenzise i-trapezoidal rule because maningi ama-rules, yabo, and futhi onke anama-formula awo. So bayokutshela ukuthi sebenzisa i-trapezoidal rule la, then to estimate the area under the curve. Uma bakutshela ukuthi for n is equal to 2 noma n is equal to 3, then akusasiyona i-single panel lapho, already interval yakho seyidivaydiwe yaba into small sub intervals, yabo. So lokho bakwentela ukuthi u-increase ini, u-improve ini i-accuracy yakho, yabo, because whenever uthatha into lencane lese nje i-building inkulu then ufuna i-area yayo ulokhu ucotula uthole leso small piece area yakho naleso then masiwahlanganisa onke atokunika i-area lethi ayibe valid, athi like i-area lethi ayikube ngiyo exactly noma ngasiyona exactly, yabo. If kodwa phela i-building yakho i-shapeless, maybe ingayona i-triangle, maybe ingayona i-rectangle, maybe ingayona futhi i-circle, yabo, because ngesingathi lapho ukuthi ngiyona yiphi i-formula kumele i-apply lapho. So we can we can invite in integral so then sitokwazi u-estimate kahle. Then now we can calculate for bani, for n is equal to 3. Okay, n is equal to 3 ithini lethu futhi lana akusiyona futhi manje single panel, there are many panels manje, there are many sub intervals. So interval yakho seyidivayidekile, then there are many equal sub interval. So now we'll apply i-formula lenkulu lenkulu h over 2 f of x naught plus 2 the sum of n minus 1 of I is equal to 1 f of xi plus f of xn. Okay, so now actually awushintshe, hlezi ku-b minus a noma ngiphi i-case, but then kuya ngokuthi ngikutshela ukuthi n wakho ungubani futhi cha siyibambeni leyo. So in this case our h is 10 minus 0 over 3 ne futhi step size sethu singubani, sing 10 over 3, 10 over 3 ne. Then our x naught ngu-0, which means f of x naught kulingana bani, futhi kulingana na 0 squared kulingana na 0, ne? Then our x1 kulingana sekulingana bani x1 na a plus b, so ngu-0 plus ayilingana na a plus h manje, futhi ngu-0 plus 1 plus 10/3 initial value plus step size sethu lesimuva ngayo. So x1 wethu ungu-10/3, x2 wethu ngu-a plus 2h noma 2 width noma twice a width, yeah, futhi ngubani ngu-0 plus 2 into 1 to 10/3 x2 wethu lo. Then x3 wethu lingana na 0 plus 3 into 1 to 10/3, then yeah, ikanjalo nje. So f of x1 ngubani ngu-10/3 squared, 10/3 squared, sorry, 10/3 squared. Then f of x2 wami kulingana bani, futhi because ngu-20/3, futhi ngu-20/3 squared. F of x3 kulingana na 3 we-cancel lo ngaphansi, then kuba ngu-10 squared still. So le nto iyadisho kahle kahle x3 kumele ngathi xn, then xn is equal to b njengoba sike sasho, futhi x3 is equal to 10 because b wethu ngu-10, then x3 iyadisho le nawo futhi yeah, ungu-100 because si-calculate-ile lapha phezulu sithola ukuthi ungubani, ungu-100. So our xn kulingana na b, futhi our x3 kulingana na 100, lokungubani okungu-10 squared. So we can now substitute. I think la futhi le trick ukuthi u-understand nge-formula ukuthi okay, for this case la i-formula apply, bese uyabuka ukuthi yonke le nto le ungayifulfilla kanjani. Ungayifulfilla ngokuthi wathi ukuthi x naught wakho kumele uthole kanjani, h wakho loku step size wena sithole kanjani kuqala, then x1 wakho, x2, x3, x4 ungawathola kanjani, then bese uya-substitute, that's direct substitution. Okay, let us proceed. So ngibani la kuba ngu-10/3 times 1 times cause over 2 times 1/2 f of x naught wethu ungubani, ungu-0 plus the sum, which means kuba ngubani-ke manje, u-2, noma ngiqale ngichaze kahle le sum ukuze abantu bayi-understand kahle. So the sum of 1 of n minus 1 futhi ngu-3 minus 1 because our n is 3, for I is equal to 1 of f of 1 f of I plus f of xn. Okay, so sengisubstitute-ile sase ngichubeka nala futhi lana ithini nje yethu ithi f of x1 till bani, till f of x3 because this is our last term, yeah, ikanje. So le ngxenye le part endawo iyafana nokuthi ngu-2 into the brackets of 1 ayiwezi uqala kubani because we substitute i-first term from number pattern esikoleni, we substitute i-first term and this is the number of terms. So first term yethu f of x1 plus f of x2 because ama-terms amangaki, awu-3, yeah, awu-2 because we say 3 minus 1 which means there are 2 terms. So ama-terms ngubani, f of 1, f of x1, f of x2, ngona lesokufaka la lezi times ama-2. Okay, so estimation yethu ithi 10/6 ngu-0 plus f of x1 futhi ngubani, 2, f of x1 bese utholile lapha ukuthi ngubani, u-100/4 100 over 4. 100 over 4 plus 20 squared ngibani? 400. How much is 20 squared? Yeah, 400. Yeah. Oh, over 9 now. Over 9. Then it's 400 over 9 plus, yes, 100. Yes, 100. Yeah, 10 squared of 400. So we can then get an estimated area yethu la. Yeah, ihamba kanjalo. Then calculator uthole estimated area. So isho njalo trapezoidal rule. Ngicela ukuyisummarize ukugcina nje. Ding. It's saying in two graphs. Two graphs. Ngiyisummarize ke manje. Okay, mana two graphs. X, Y, X. Y, X. I-curve le. Curve. Lena ngiyibita nga-f of x. Yami. Lena ngiyibita nga-g of x. Kuya ngokuthi bathini. Then by trapezoidal rule, sithi we can use yona, noma it's a simple way to find the area under the curve, because you don't know shape a curve ukuthi ingibani. Yabo, you don't know shape of curve because so construct lana ma-rectangle ngithole lento yalana, len times frame ngwahlanganisa, but what about nama-portion lawo, yabo. So that's why singakwazi ukuthi sithole the exact area for the curve le, but then we can approximate it using a trapezoidal rule. Nayi-ke into ithini? Ithini lo? We can approximate it just like so. From P to A, from A to P, from P to 1. B, A. So, what the A right? So, by trapezoidal rule, this is a single panel. The single panel. The single panel you can just use the formula le yokuqala le simple. Lethini? Lethi H over 2 f of A plus f of B. Ne? Uma ukuthi sekudivaydiwe kanje, yokuqala le i-subinterval yokuqala, yesibili, yesithathu, yesi-4 ayalingana ama-subinterval la. Futhi n wala is equal to 2, equal to 1, is equal to 4. Equal to 4. Walana n is equal to 1. Because le nto kuyinto le-1 le. Because n is equal to 1. Lana is equal to 4 because n wethu isenza ukusola ukuthi lapha, isenza ukusola ukuthi lapha, kanjalo. So ihamba kanjalo le. I think seyi-summarizekile because sekugcina la sesiyavala. And then i-formula yala, because senibamise ama-formula. This is our multiple panel. Multiple panel. Sithi i-formula yethu it's h over 2. Estimation symbol. H over 2 f of x naught, because this is our x naught, plus 2 to the sum of n minus 1, I is equal to 1, of f of xi plus f of xn. You see? Yeah. Now your formula is 1 for multiple panel or for the nth. And so, can't see value for now. Any questions?